Welcome to SmartWave. This video will show you how to install motorized drapery. Track assembly. For order widths less than or equal to 100 inch, no splicing is required. Please skip this step. Step 1. Align the two track sections in a straight line. Step 2. Assemble the two parts of the master carrier together. Remove the metal connecting bracket from the master carrier. Bring the two parts of the master carrier together. Simultaneously align and connect the two sections of the track. Reinstall all metal connecting brackets and securely tighten the screws. Note, the two small holes are for screws. Finish assembling the master carrier. Step 3. Install the aluminum track connector. Loosen the 4 screws on the connector. Then slide it until it is precisely aligned at the joint between the two aluminum tracks. Finally, securely tighten the 4 screws. Step 4. Insert the side hooks into the transmission boxes on both sides of the track. The track assembly is complete. Sealing mount. Step 1. Attach the mounting brackets. Attach a bracket near the transmission box at each end of the track. Attach a mounting bracket at each end of the connector. Evenly attach the remaining brackets in the middle where there is no connector. Step 2. Install the ceiling mounted track. Step 3. Install the valance ceiling brackets. Install the valance ceiling bracket next to the ceiling bracket, ensuring it aligns with the edge of the aluminum track. Side mount. The type of side brackets may vary depending on your specific order details, but the installation method remains the same. Step 1. Determine the installation position for the side brackets. Attach a bracket near the transmission box at each end of the track. Attach a mounting bracket at each end of the connector. Evenly attach the remaining brackets in the middle where there is no connector. Step 2. Mark the baseline reference lines for bracket installation. Step 3. Remove the brackets from the drapery track and install them onto the wall along the marked lines. Step 4. Attach the track to the brackets. Attach the valance hanging bracket. If your order does not include a valance, you can skip this step. Step 1. Bend the valance hanging bracket, the side with the Velcro facing up. Place one end of the valance hanging bracket on the edge of the table and bend it by hand until it forms a 90 degrees angle. Step 2. Attach the valance hanging bracket to the brackets. Attach the motor. Align the motor with the mounting position and fit it in place. When the motor is on the left side, ensure that the safety switch is facing indoors. When the motor is on the right side, ensure that the safety switch is facing the window. Then, rotate the motor clockwise until you hear a click, indicating that the attachment is complete. Hang the fabric. Hang the fabric hooks onto the side hook, carrier stopper, slide carrier, and master carrier in sequence. Hang the valance from the center outward toward both ends. Plug in the power. Insert the plug into the socket. The drapery installation is now complete and ready for use.